Protecting your business online is like securing your home. You can lock the doors and windows, but how do you know they'll hold if someone tries to break in? That's where penetration testing comes in. Trusted experts safely test your defenses, so you can see where your systems are strong and where improvements are needed before real attackers strike. Here's how penetration testing works. First, testers set the targets and goals, deciding which systems or applications to check and what the test should prove. Then they gather information. Next comes vulnerability analysis, where weak points, such as outdated software or poor access controls, are identified. After that, safe exploitation confirms which weaknesses can actually be used to gain access. The testers then assess the real impact on the business, such as financial loss or disruption. Finally, a clear report is delivered with practical steps to fix issues and strengthen defenses. The aim is simple: to uncover risks, prove your security controls work, and build trust with customers and regulators. Get in touch with CyberUnlocked. To learn more about strengthening your cybersecurity, visit CyberUnlocked.com.